Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Sorkar ba polling do ubaderu chairman ke regional committee ke West Khasi Hills ulong ba ansalet jengo iki jaga kapur andala latpor lang kibawan jengo na Assam hendai an pendebet ya ke jinglet jengo apo ni ubenai habakran bikilat patai khubor mentaga janmi jakan ri teri urisau arajar arpulai ba pol la pentep baya kai photru ansa ai ho ni uju hi ubenai ba pol la pentep ru ba ke jelakan pen klanyi ki bor Pulit bat kidon hadu arajar sans pa ngut ki Pulit ki badang syak pentpen Warga Sorkar kan Thungkam na kamta 1,000 Tylli ki kambalan ha ka Tnat Pulit ha Snem arajar arpusau.
We're supposed to complete everything within November, within October. That is the site visit and submission of the final report.
So the site visit, when is it going to happen?
As soon as our counterparts from Assam are free, Mr. Patwari is currently on tour. Once he reaches Guwahati, we should be able to finalize on the dates. But everything will be completed within October of this year.
And the report will be submitted to the respective state governments?
Yes, within October. Both the site visit and the submission of the report.
Whether these reports will be shared in the opposite direction, like you will share to Assam and the regional committee from Assam will share to me?
We will try to come up with a report that both the state, the two committees share, which means it will be a comprehensive single report prepared by the two regional committees.
Bapol, Assam has a very big brother attitude. It keeps building, roads, especially in Baklapara we've seen. So, what is it taken up?
That is bound to happen. It has been happening for several decades now. But I can assure you that once we are in a position to finally settle all areas wherever we have differences, which is now 6 areas. I mean, from 12 now it has come down to 6. Once that is in place, we will be able to resolve the matter. 2 is we are also strengthening the state police. You're aware that currently about 2,500 young youths are undergoing training. They will complete the training in the next couple of months and then join the state police. And apart from that, about 4,000 new vacancies will also be filled up subsequently, meaning by next year.
Since you are the chairman of this regional committee for West Khasi Hills, recently in the CM level talks, they have decided, Assam has decided to allow Meghalaya to again have a look at Malang Salbari, which was under, if I'm not mistaken, Hima sector.
Right.
So, have you been briefed by the Chief Minister about it?
See, these are the final recommendation of the two regional committees. Since we are going also to the sites, that will form the basis of the final MOU. So, you might have picked up name of a village, 1 or 2. But finally, it'll be what the two regional committees will recommend, and hopefully we will do that jointly, so that it becomes easier for the two state governments to then accept it.
The village that I was referring to was in the first phase of the MOU that had been signed. So
Okay.
there was
The first phase, this committee has a very clear terms of reference, and that includes only the unresolved part, not the part that was dealt in the first MOU.